How to turn off Facebook likes and comments. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn off your Facebook likes and comments. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just click on our Facebook application and make sure that your Facebook app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store and update your Facebook application. After that, just open the app and click on the three-line button at the lower right corner right here that says Menu, and scroll down a bit and click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and scroll down until the Audience and Visibility tab. So under this, let's click on Followers and Public Content. So you can control the followers that can see your posts, reels, stories, and other posts you may have on your Facebook account. So since we're talking about likes and comments, let's focus on this public post comments tab. So you can choose who is allowed to comment on your public posts. So Facebook does not have an option to completely disable it. It only has options so you can limit which people can comment on your posts. So from public, you can limit it to only friends of friends or friends. So this means that only your friends can comment on your public posts on your Facebook account. And you can also scroll down again and go and focus on this public profile info tab so you can manage who can like or comment on your profile information that is always public. So again, you can only limit it to friends of friends or only with your friends. Also, you can go to a specific post of yours, and then if there is any comment right here, you can always delete it. So for example, if someone commented, you can always delete it. If you don't want to see that specific comment, just click on delete. And if you want no interaction with your post at all, just click on the three dotted button at a specific post you have and click on Edit Privacy and switch it to only me so that no one can like or comment on that specific post you have on Facebook. And that is how you can turn off your Facebook likes and comments. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.